guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how we have to carve pumpkin. So first we need to take a pumpkin and just make a line at the top of that so that we can clean it up and take the mess out. We just make a small V at the hair so that we don't forget how to we align the cap after cleaning it up. So let's start it. So now we have to take the cap out, so we need to cut it. I'm using the normal knife to cut it off. We just need to cut little deeper so that it easily come off. So I almost cut around it. Now I will take it off. So you can see that. Oh, nicely and slowly. Yes. So here we go. I take the things off. So now we'll take the mess off from this cap area. So now we need to clean inside the pumpkin and take all the seeds and mess all out of the pumpkin. So now we have to take all the mess and seeds out from the pumpkin. I'm using my kitchen spatula to take all of them out. So I'm taking all the things off from the pumpkin so that we can easily carve it. So see, that's all. We take it off from the pumpkin, all seed and mushy things. So now it's all clean completely and it's ready to, like, we can draw a design on this pumpkin to carve. So now we draw this spooky Doodah on the pumpkin, and you can draw whatever you like on the pumpkin. So my son liked this, so we draw it. And we need this kit just to carve it. So you can buy it from the Walmart. If you want, I'll just give a link on the description. You can buy it from there online too. So now we started carving. Initially we use a knife because it's a little more sharper, because pumping is a little harder, so we use that. We do have this tool and we'll use it later in the detail carving. So now we almost cut it off, so we're trying to take this part out nicely. So now this part is off. We need to clean a little bit right here. Carve this much because it takes too much time. My pumpkin is big and it's hard to carve, and it's so, like little detailed design. But we did it. We already cut that part, but we didn't take it off because we need some support while we are doing this detailed part. So we are on the process of making the pumpkin. Let's be with us. So here we go, guys. We carved all the pumpkin right here. You can see everywhere. And now we just need to put this cap back. And now the question is that we need to put this pumpkin in a bleach water so that it will last little longer, because most of the time we need to do lots of work, lots of labor to make it and to carve it, but it will get rotten soon. So we do a trick to put this in a bleach water, and I'll show you how we have to do it so that it will last little longer. I fill my sink with some water because this pumpkin is pretty big. So now I'm gonna put some bleach, Clorox bleach in this so that I can pour down my pumpkin inside. I believe it's that's it. I believe it's a 2-gallon water. So now I'm gonna put this pumpkin inside the water so that it will not getting rotten soon and it will last little longer. So just take a. So now I put the water all over the pumpkin. The logic behind this, that we put this bleach inside the pumpkin so that the organism of the mold and the rottenness will stop quickly and it will last a little longer. And what we will do, we'll put this pumpkin in this water at least for 2 minutes so that it will soak it and it can stop the organism of getting rotten and everything. So after draining the water, we just need to wash it by the plain and clean water. Now rinse all the water, and now we'll dry the pumpkin for some time.
Now we'll put this LED light inside. Happy Halloween!
So this is the final look of this carved pumpkin, and it looks so beautiful, guys. You can see that it has a different level charisma, and it's looking like so beautiful and charming. So wish you all a very happy Halloween from us. Enjoy your festival. Thank you.